Hi Favian, Alma here. It was really nice talking with you earlier today. As promised, here is the video I said I was going to send you to help you get more customers, what the things that you need to do to help more customers. And I'm having you here compared to two other competitors in the Valley, Ace Plumbing and also The Plumber. So let's get started. I want to talk about three things. I'm going to talk about content, backlinks, and citations. What is content? Content are all the words and images you have on your main page. Google doesn't care how beautiful your site looks. What they care about is content. They like to have anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your main page that makes you relevant, that makes you credible in the eyes of Google, and that helps you rank higher. Let's look at how many words your site has. Let's look at this tool I have here. It shows that you have about 712. For Ace Plumbing, about 694, and 362 for The Plumber. So just increasing your content on your page is going to help you rank higher on Google. Now let's talk about another important part of this, which are the images. They should be saved as a phrase, a keyword that is going to help potential customers find you online. Let's look what you have here. Save image as, and see, as you can see here, you have nothing. So this will really help you if you would have them saved under plumbing in the Antelope Valley Plumbing, residential plumbing, Antelope Valley, or residential plumbing in Lancaster, etc. You get the point. This will definitely also help you. Okay, so let's look at backlinks now. For that, I want to use this tool called Ahrefs, which is a paid tool that you can also use. It costs about $300 a month, and this gives you important information behind the scenes of your site. These are your numbers here. These are the backlinks. What are backlinks? Backlinks is having a website referral to your site via a link, meaning someone can get to your site clicking on a link on someone else's site. So you have 25, your competitors have 17, and the other one has 988. Backlinks are also called link juice, which is the term used to measure the amount of power passed on to your site. And they're not all made equal. Some do not pass the link juice. Those are called no follow. If you can see here, even though this site has 988, most of those are not passing the link juice onto their site. They're not giving them power. This is what reflects the power that the backlinks give you. The no follow are not endorsed by the original author or publisher of the page. They do not count as points in favor of your page, and they do not boost your page's ranking. Let's look at this other competitor at Ace Plumbing. They have very little backlinks, and only 4 of theirs are do follow. Only 4 are passing on the link juice, and you can tell it's not enough to give them any power. Let's look at yours. You have 25. They're not giving you any power either, because also 4 are only do follow. So backlinks are really important for the power that they give you. They help you with ranking, which Google sees them as votes of confidence. They also help the search engines discover your content faster, and they help you with referral traffic when someone clicks on a link to your website. All right, so now the last thing I want to talk about are citations. What are citations? A citation is having your business name, address, and phone number listed in as many online directories as possible, like yellowpages.com, yelp.com, etc. If you notice you're not getting traffic at all from your citations, let's look at Ace, same situation here, and look at The Plumber. They have a lot of citations, and it's helping them get all this organic traffic every month. Imagine if you're only closing maybe 10% of those every month. That's 13 additional customers that you would have So to summarize, I recommend having more content to help Google display your business information in search results, because the more content that you have, the more value to users and the higher your rankings. Also, adding quality backlinks, as many as you can from authoritative websites, to help you with the ranking, to help give you power. And get more citations, which give credibility to your site. You can definitely do all of this on your own, okay? I hope that I've been able to provide some value, and all I ask, if you could please just respond to this email with a line of feedback, and thank you so much for your time. Bye.